Hello everyone. On today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to remove a white background from an image. In today's example, I'm going to be using a potato with a white background. Our tool for the day is going to be GIMP, so let's right click on the image, click open with, and choose GIMP. Now GIMP is going to open up this image, and we'll proceed to removing that white background. Now that the image is loaded, we see on the bottom right corner we have our layers, so let's go ahead and right click on that layer. And let's click on Add Alpha Channel. Once we've done that, we can head over to the toolbar at the top and click on the colors, and then go all the way down to Color to Alpha. Once we click that, we can see that our white background became transparent, and this is what we want to do, so we're going to go ahead and click OK. Now that that has been done, we want to save the image with this result. So we're going to go ahead into the top left corner and click File and choose Export As. Now the image was originally a JPEG image which does not save transparency, and since we do want to save transparency, we're going to save it in PNG format. So I'm going to rename the file extension to be PNG and go ahead and export that image. GIMP is going to give us some options, and I'm not going to change anything on here, so I'm going to go ahead and click Export. The image has been exported, so let's go ahead and close this out and discard the changes for the project. Now we see we have another image over here that has a similar look. However, this one is the new PNG that we created, and it does not have a white background, so we can't see the whole potato as is, versus the original image which did have the white background which showed the potato.
Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.